So first, I'd like to start with a little story that maybe many of the people watching this right now can relate to. I was in a mediation session a few weeks ago, and as part of the calculations of what we were trying to figure out, there was an interest component. If one party ended up being owed money, that they would have to be paid interest. And the attorney on our side said, well, let's not have the accountants focus on that. If they figure out the other numbers, we can just figure out the interest at the end. And the opposing counsel jumped up immediately and said, no, no, no. I became a lawyer in part because I was told I wouldn't have to deal with numbers. So if we have accountants, we can have them do it. And I'm sure many of you can relate. I'm the opposite. I became an accountant because I was told I got to deal with numbers. So accounting is just, it's the lifeblood. It's the language of business. So having that background to be able to understand it just makes everyone's life easier. It makes you more informed, less likely to chase, a rabbit hole or listening to a client who's telling you their business is worth X. But if you can't read it, you're really going to be at a disadvantage as an attorney. So there's lots of different reasons. Alex touched on some, and I mentioned some earlier, but if there's business valuation disputes or business is being valued as part of a sale, or even for estate tax purposes, that can happen. In the world of insurance, there might be business interruption claims, and we need to calculate the lost revenue. Just having an understanding of that can make an attorney more effective. Obviously, divorce, that comes up a lot for us. We deal with that many times. It's always, is the other spouse hiding assets? Are they undervaluing a business? Are they not being truthful? So we'll kind of dig into the financial records. And as I said before, uncover the financial truth. Bankruptcy, just general business disputes, all types of things where the numbers come into play and it's more than just a legal issue.